So today we're talking about what is tag management in digital marketing. Hey, it's Tobey here from Training Business Pros. Thank you so much for joining me. Tags are super important in order to pay attention to how well our marketing systems are working. And in some of our other videos, we've talked about the theory of the tags and the naming of those tags. But this video, we're going to dive into the implementation using the amazing Groundhogg CRM. And I'm going to build a funnel in Groundhogg using my tagging system. And we're going to talk about all the details and all the tag naming as I'm going through it. And we're going to get started right now. As you can see, we are currently in the back end of WordPress and using Groundhogg. The first thing we're going to do is just go down to funnels and then we'll click add new. So we're going to add a new funnel and we're going to call this funnel using our naming conventions. And if you're not familiar with that, it's 10.marketing, 20.sales, 30.fulfillment. And there's also finance and HR, but we're not going to talk about those today. So 10.marketing, and typically what I like to do with the naming of my funnels is tell them where they're starting and where they're finishing. So they're starting as a lead and we're going to move them over into consult. And we're going to copy that because we're going to need that for our tag naming. Let's go add a first step. And that first step is a tag applied goal. Now, we use system tags in this particular instance because system tags start and stop funnels. It doesn't mean that you can't use a web form here. It just means that there are multiple ways to get people into this funnel if you're using a particular tag called a system tag. So we're going to call it system, 10.marketing, lead to consult, start. And all you have to do is type that in and click the link, and there's your tag. So if that tag is added to any contact record in a number of different ways, manually or through automation, that person will be thrown into this campaign. The very next thing that you want to do is you want to add remove. Let's go ahead and choose the action remove tag. And we're just going to look for that tag consult. There it is. So we have to save the campaign first before it shows up in the list of items. Why do we remove the tag? We remove the tag because if somebody wants to come back into this funnel and do it again, if they already have the start tag added to their contact record, they will not be able to get into this campaign because they already have the tag. So you want to remove it right away. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to give them what they requested. So we're going to send them an email. We're going to call this email number 1, send download. So we're creating the lead based on a download. And in that download, there's going to be a link which we're going to create using a super link. So let's go and do that now. So we're just going to open the super links funnel or super links action in a new tab. And we're going to call this download the PDF. Okay, we're just going to put in a URL here. And it doesn't really matter what it is at this moment because I don't actually have a real link. Anyway, we'll call it download.pdf. And then we're going to apply this tag when they download it. So that is a status tag. So if you're not familiar with status tags are where is this contact in this particular funnel? Which step are they in? So we're going to add a few status tags as we go through this. So we're going to add the tag name status, 10.marketing, lead to consult, has downloaded. Add new tag. There's the tag there. Now let's go see if we can find it here. And there it is. And we're going to click update. Then we're going to grab that super link 6, and that would go in the email here. So if we create a new email, and we're just going to pick any old email, and we're going to put in the super link on this link right here. Let's go edit that and put in the super link. And we can, of course, call this anything we want. Click here to download. And you can see that what's going to happen is as soon as they click that link, that status tag will be added. Okay, so the first thing before that is you want to add a status tag that says has not downloaded. And the reason why you do that is because you want to, again, pay attention to all the people that haven't actually done it yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply a tag to the contact record here, and we're going to call this tag 10.marketing lead to consult has not downloaded. So they are going to have this tag right up until the point where they click the link in the email. The next step, what is happening now? Well, they haven't downloaded the PDF yet. Let's send them an email to download the PDF. And then what we could do is we could apply a delay timer, and we could send the email again. And we're going to call this one email number 2. Okay. As soon as they download it, we're going to create a goal, which means a benchmark tag applied goal, which says has downloaded. So let's go and look for that. Okay, so I think you understand what's happening here is if they click the link in the first email, they won't get the second email, and they'll immediately go to that tag applied goal has downloaded. And then what you do next is as soon as they download it, you want to create some time. Let's put in a delay timer, and let's wait at least 2 days. And then we're going to check in with them with another email. And that email is going to be an email regarding the PDF and the next steps. So for example, I'm just going to give you a brief sort of outline of what it does up here in the name of the email. So send PDF download follow-up and ask to book appointment. So what we're doing is we're giving them something of value, and then we are following up with them in this email. Send the PDF, follow-up email, and ask them to book an appointment. And you can do that a few times. And of course, before that, you're going to change their status to has not booked appointment. So we can go and we can stick that in there as well. Let's go apply the tag. Status has not booked appointment. And that tag here goes, let's see, we've got the second email, the tag applied goal, and then immediately after that tag applied goal, we have apply tag. Now, what you might want to do here is also remove the previous has downloaded tag, because now we're way past that, and we're now applying the tag which says has not booked appointment. And then down here at the bottom, you're going to want to put in a booked appointment goal. So we're going to use the Groundhogg booking calendar. We're going to select Paul's booking calendar, appointment scheduled. So again, as they're going through the funnel, you're adding and removing status tags. So in this particular case, let's apply a history tag. And you might want to name the PDF, but I'm just going to say has downloaded name of PDF, whatever it is. Okay. So in this case, in this funnel, we've got 3 types of tags. We've got a system tag, which starts the funnel at the top. We've got a status tag, or a couple of instances of status tags. The first one is has not downloaded. As soon as they click the super link in the email, as soon as they have the has downloaded tag, remove the has not downloaded. That's the wrong tag. That should be, well, actually we want to remove both. So that's fine. And then the next tag you might want to add is a history tag to keep track of everybody who's actually downloaded that PDF. And then run a couple of emails. And of course, now at the end, as soon as they've booked an appointment, what you might want to do is you might want to apply, and I usually do this, is apply a stop tag. And then there's the goal or the benchmark at the end for the stop tag as well. Okay, so we're applying the stop tag and then the goal is achieved. Make sure the emails go before that. As soon as that stop tag is added, you could add them to another funnel by adding an action, apply tag, and that's going to be a system tag, which now moves them into another funnel. System 30.fulfillment. Ask for review, whatever it is, whatever you want to do next. So we're asking them for maybe a Google review. And that's how you move people back and forth between funnels. Thank you so much for your time. It's Paul Tobey. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks so much for watching. It's Paul Tobey here. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. When you do, it lets us know your level of interest and will help us create more content just like this for you and other people just like you. If you have any questions or comments about the content, please post them below and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for your time.
Training